Close your eyes. The world softens into a quiet hum. The morning light is waiting for you. Gentle, patient, golden, whispering that it's time to return home to yourself. This is your sacred pause between what was and what will be. A soft doorway into peace. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Let the sound of your breath be your anchor. Steady, kind, forgiving. Each inhale fills you with light, and each exhale releases the echoes of yesterday. There is no rush here. You are safe to slow down. You are safe to begin again. Imagine the first rays of sunlight spilling across your skin. They touch your face like a blessing. And with that light comes remembrance that no matter how heavy life has felt, you are still here, still breathing, still guided. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body melt into the support beneath you. The earth is holding you, effortlessly, lovingly. She has never asked you to be perfect, only to be present. Now, feel your breath move through you like a soft current. It travels down your neck, into your heart, into your belly, and with each breath, it clears away the fog of old thoughts. The ones that whispered, "I'm not enough," the ones that made you shrink instead of shine. Let it all go now. Let the light in your breath dissolve every limitation you once believed. You are not who you were yesterday. You are not defined by your past. You are the one who gets to begin again. Now, in this breath, in this sacred morning, see a golden river of energy rising from the earth, flowing up through your body. It moves slowly and beautifully, lighting every cell as it ascends. Your body becomes a vessel of soft radiance, glowing with renewal. This river carries the energy of peace, of release, of rebirth. It washes through your heart, cleansing the residue of pain, and fills it with a deep, wordless serenity. Breathe it in. The energy of new beginnings. Breathe it in until you feel your heart expand, like dawn breaking over calm waters. With every breath, you return to the truth that you were never broken. You were simply unfolding. Now, silently whisper within, I release the past. I forgive what I could not control. I am open to what is meant for me. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of a fresh start. Feel those words move through you like warm sunlight through morning mist. They become your vibration. They become your energy. And the universe listens. The more you surrender, the lighter you become. You can feel the tension leaving your chest. You can sense the air around you brightening. It's as if the whole universe is breathing with you. 1,000 suns rising inside your heart, reminding you that the world begins anew every time you do. Take another deep breath in. Feel gratitude blooming softly within your chest. Not forced, but natural, like a flower unfolding in its own time. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this chance to begin again. Now imagine yourself standing in a vast field of morning light. The horizon stretches endlessly, bathed in gold. Every blade of grass shimmers. Every sound feels alive. The wind, the birds, the quiet hum of life itself. You open your palms and the sunlight pours through them. It fills you. It reminds you, you are not separate from life. You are life. You are the dawn. Let that realization sink deep into your being. You are the miracle waking each morning. You are the peace you've been seeking. You are the new beginning you've been waiting for. Now repeat softly in your heart, I am calm. I am centered. I am whole. I am guided by divine intelligence. Everything is unfolding in perfect timing. I trust the path before me. As you sit in this energy, allow a gentle smile to rise on your face. This is your soul recognizing truth. This is your heart remembering who you really are. When you open your eyes, the world will look a little brighter. Colors will feel warmer. You will move through your day grounded, light, and clear. Every word you speak will carry the vibration of love. Every step you take will echo peace. And the energy of this meditation will ripple outward, touching everyone and everything you meet today. Take one final deep breath. Breathe in light, hope, and new beginnings. And exhale with gratitude, releasing anything left to release. You are ready. You are whole. You are new. Welcome, beautiful soul, to your new beginning. The universe smiles through you, and today, life begins again.